Did you throw away toilet paper wrong all your life? Most people have a bin like this in their bathrooms, and they usually throw toilet paper in there. But in this video, I'll show you the best way to do it. Today, we are going to conduct an experiment that will clarify once and for all what happens if we throw the paper in the toilet bowl. There's always been that hesitation about flushing paper down the toilet or in the bin. And maybe you've heard the phrase a lot, "Don't do it, it's going to be covered up." So, to clear up any doubts, let's simulate what happens to paper when it is deposited in the toilet. Let's grab some toilet paper for this test. We will take at least 3 parts of paper and deposit it in this container. Now we're going to add enough water to fill it up. Then I'll cover it up while we wait for the time needed to review the experiment. I'll tell you what happens every time you throw the paper away this way. The first negative and unpleasant point is the perpetual bad smell that the bathroom always has. That's why most people need air fresheners to hide the bad smell that their bathroom will always have as long as the bin has dirty paper. Many even flush the toilet thinking it's coming from there. But in reality, the bad smell comes from the trash can. When you throw dirty papers in the trash, fecal particles are suspended in the air and spread throughout your home. These particles, when inhaled by people, can generate everything from inflammation in the respiratory tract to diseases such as cysticerciasis or salmonella, putting your health and that of your entire family at risk. Now let's see how our experiment goes. It's only been 2 minutes since we started this test. I'll also show you the result after several hours, and we can already see how the texture of the paper is. It's slowly disintegrating. This is precisely because manufacturers are making toilet paper a biodegradable material so that it does not cause pollution or affect the lives of animals. It is very common to believe that pipes can become clogged, but the reality is that if the pipes are working normally, this will not happen. As one last piece of advice before we move on to see the result we started with, I want to tell you what you shouldn't flush down the toilet. Although it seems obvious, there are people who throw some of these things down the toilet bowl. The most common is the sanitary napkin. Never do it. The disposal of this waste can clog the drain pipes. We've already let several hours pass. Now let's review how the paper turned out. As we can see, paper has disintegrated. Starting today, you can flush toilet paper down the toilet without fear, keeping your bathroom clean and your whole family's health. Subscribe for more tips.